Everything in the marine industry you'll be able to see plus more.
Yeah.
Did you fart?
No, but you want me to?
All right, this week's forecast is 10 inches of snow today. Tomorrow I think it's minus 23, and I think Wednesday is minus 35 without the wind, minus 54 with the wind. Should make a great couple days. All right, meteorologist Andy here today with your report. Today out there in that, it is terrible, horrible snow. We got 10 inches of snow in Wisconsin today. We're moving boats in the snow, not good. We're plowing out the old shop, horrible. But in the end of it, that's what's the reality of Wisconsin. We get snow, we get crappy weather this time of year. We're just fortunate enough to have work while we have crappy weather.
Today we had a 1998 Bullet in the shop today that had to be taken apart to go over and have it clear coated. Customer wanted it to be shiny again and wanted to clean up some of the scratches.
Well, typical Wisconsin weather. I got to play Johnny Plowboy today. Had to go down to the old shop, plow out the whole dang lot, just so I can get a simple little trailer into the old shop to move some mowers.
So today we took off the motor jack plate, everything on the transom, so that way we can get all the holes filled and we can get the clear coat on it and get it all buffed and polished and ready to go back to the customer.
Had to drive the tractor from the new shop all the way down to the old shop, plowing my way, pulling a trailer. And it sucked. Stay tuned for next week's episodes as
If you wear your banana hammock, I'll get the mud.
Okay.
We'll just wrestle together.